Logic gates overview. Logic gates are the essential components of digital circuits, executing logical operations grounded in Boolean algebra. This presentation will explore various types of logic gates including OR, AND, NOT, NAND, NOR, exclusive OR, exclusive NOR, and mixed logic, providing insights into their functions and applications in computing and electronics. Overview of OR gate. Functionality 1. An OR gate outputs true if at least one of its inputs is true. Truth table. 2. The truth table shows that the output is true, 1, if either input A or B is true. Applications 3. Used in arithmetic circuits, decision-making systems, and programming scenarios. AND gate functionality and applications. The AND gate is a fundamental component in digital circuits, crucial for decision-making processes. It ensures that an output is only produced when all specified conditions are met, making it essential for reliable system operations. Truth table. The truth table shows output is true only when both input A and B are true. Functionality. Applications. An AND gate outputs true only if all of its inputs are true. Utilized in systems requiring all conditions to be met. 2. NOT gate. Functionality. A NOT gate outputs the opposite value of its input. Truth table. Reflects the output that is always the inverse of the input. Applications. Essential for binary systems, creating complements, and logic circuit designs. NAND gate. Functionality. Truth table. Applications. Frequently used in integrated circuits, memory devices, and can create any other gate type, showcasing its fundamental importance in electronic systems. A NAND gate is a combination of an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It outputs false only when all its inputs are true, making it a universal gate. The NAND truth table reveals that the gate outputs true unless both inputs are true, thus providing more versatile applications in circuit design. Frequently used in integrated circuits, memory devices, and can create any other gate type, showcasing its fundamental importance in electronic systems. NOR gate. The NOR gate is a fundamental component in digital electronics, integral for performing specific logical operations. It combines the functions of an OR gate with that of a NOT gate, providing unique outputs that are essential in complex circuit configurations. 2. Truth table. The truth table of a NOR gate indicates it outputs true only when none of its inputs are true. Functionality. A NOR gate is a combination of an OR gate followed by a NOT gate, outputting true only when all inputs are false. 1. Applications. Used in creating complex logical circuits and implementing functions that require conditions to remain entirely false. 3. Exclusive OR, XOR, Gate 1. Functionality. An exclusive OR gate produces a true output when the number of true inputs is odd, typically when exactly one input is true. 2. Truth table. The XOR truth table illustrates that the output is true for input combinations 1, 0, and 0, 1, while false for both inputs being true or both false. 3. Applications. Commonly found in arithmetic operations, error detection systems, and digital systems that require parity checking. Exclusive NOR, XNOR, Gate 1. Functionality. An exclusive NOR gate outputs true when the inputs are equal, meaning both true or both false, thereby finding applications in equality comparisons. 2. Truth table. The truth table for an XNOR gate shows that the output reflects a true condition only for identical inputs, providing straightforward results for comparison. 3. Applications. Often utilized in comparison circuits, digital signatures, and circuits requiring reliable logical connections where equal values signify valid conditions. Mixed logic in circuit design. Truth table representation. Each configuration of mixed logic can be represented by a comprehensive truth table. 2. Combining gates. 1. Mixed logic involves using different types of gates together to create complex logical expressions. Practical applications. 3. Common in advanced electronic circuits, mixed logic circuits fulfill custom functional requirements effectively.